Hi friends, welcome again to Career Guide. As promised, I'm back to you with the detailed information about another online job that I mentioned in one of my previous videos. Yes, today I'm going to talk to you in detail about the position Web Analytics Manager that has already gained a lot of momentum and will continue to grow in the years to come also. There are different types of projects available in this domain. Based on your level of expertise, you can see which is suitable for you. So, whether you are a fresher or an experienced professional, this video is going to be useful to all of you. Just ensure that you watch it till the end, otherwise relating things might become difficult. Fantastic. Let's begin. Okay, so for those of you who are new to this field, let's begin by understanding what is Web Analytics. So, whenever you have a website or an online business, you want to capture and understand a lot of data, like how many visitors visited your website, how many of them were unique or repeat visitors, how many of them bought a product or took an action that you wanted them to take, how many of them exited immediately, which keywords did they use to find you, etc. So, to understand all these things, what you do is you try to analyze the data that you have captured. And since you're analyzing the web data, it becomes Web Analytics. This is a very basic example that I've given you to make you understand what is Web Analytics. But in reality, there's actually a lot that businesses try to track and want to analyze to get the desired results. These results may be increasing the sales, registration, or maybe increasing the view time. If you wish to grow your business, it is very important for you to understand what the data is trying to speak to you. And you do this kind of analysis for any online business, be it a website or a YouTube channel. So I hope this has given you some idea about what is Web Analytics to begin with. And once you start understanding what this domain is all about, the next thing you would want to know is what are the different kinds of positions and projects that are available in this domain. So see, there are both full-time and freelance positions that are available in this domain. This depends upon the size of the business and company's preferences. Many companies like to hire in-house analysts, while others try to hire someone to freelance. Depending upon your position, you can look out for the assignments that suit you. But before we discuss where to look out for these assignments, let's see what are the different types of assignments in this domain. I'll start with some basic type of assignments and then move towards the advanced ones. So the most basic and simplest type of assignments that are available in this domain are the reporting assignments. Now see, as I said earlier, anyone who has an e-resource, maybe a content-based website, e-commerce platform, a YouTube channel, or an app, or maybe anything else, they need to understand what's happening with their business. And for this, they need to get the analysis of the data done. This data may be captured by their own systems or systems like Google Analytics, YouTube Analytics, etc. Now, some people may do this job themselves, while others may decide to hire someone specially for this, depending upon the size of their business, the resources that are available with them, and their priorities. But a business house usually tries to do this kind of an analysis for their business on a monthly basis. So, if you are someone who has got limited time available with you, you can try to pick up this kind of a project with one or multiple number of companies. They'll need you to analyze the data and present your findings in the form of a report that can be easily understood even by a layman. For this, you would need to understand their business well, capture the data, clean it, analyze what the data is suggesting, relate it to the actual happenings, and present your findings in the form of an easy to understand report. This means that you must have good mathematical, analytical, and communication skills along with the business knowledge. I hope it is making sense to you. Is it? Fantastic. Let's go ahead and find the next job that you can do. And the next kind of assignment that you can pick up in this domain is that of being a freelance analyst. Now see, while some companies may need just the monthly reports, there are many companies in which this kind of analysis is done in much more detail throughout the month. For example, the e-commerce companies or anyone selling online, they need to look at various other metrics to make the business profitable. And many of these companies have got people in-house to do the job, while others try to outsource the projects. So this is also a kind of job that you can try to pick up in this domain. Now, the third kind of assignments that are available in this domain are those of auditing. So see, what happens here is, to make the best use out of the web analytics tool that you have installed, it is very important that it captures the correct data that the client requires for the business. This tool in most of the cases is Google Analytics, but many people also use Adobe Analytics and other such tools. So if you're an expert at the implementation of Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, or any other such tools, this is a type of project that you can pick up. This is usually a one-time project, but it pays very well. The next service that you can sell in this domain is that of being an integration expert. So if you can integrate the analytics software with the software in other departments, this is another kind of a project that you can pick up. Again, this is usually a one-time project, but usually these projects are huge and pay you very well. Maintenance work may come sometimes, but usually you will require newer clients to keep the business running. And then, of course, you can take up teaching assignments also. Now, let's move on to where to find these assignments. So, to look out for these assignments, you can of course use platforms like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, peoplepara.com, etc. that get you freelance assignments. A lot of companies keep looking out for people providing such services on these platforms. But in addition to this, I would also advise you to do some active hunting and brand building online, because many employers may hire someone directly also. So if you are someone new and thinking of taking up this kind of an option, let me tell you a bit about the skills and tools also that you would need to know. So see, in this domain, Google Analytics is a popularly used tool which you should master. Another tool that is quite popular is Adobe Analytics, which many companies use. This is bare minimum that you should know. Then, in addition to this, for data analysis projects, you would also need to have a good command over one of the statistical analysis languages like R or Python, and a visualization tool like Tableau. And since this is a data intense field, it is important to have a good knowledge of MS Excel as well. And if you want to take up bigger projects, you would also need to know tag management tools like Google Tag Manager, survey tools like SurveyMonkey or Surveygizmo, etc. And finally, if we talk about the earnings in this domain, the earnings with implementation projects can be in thousands of dollars, while someone working as a data analyst may begin with even 20 to 25,000 rupees also per month. So basically, your earnings in this profession vary largely with the skills you possess, the type of projects you can take up, and the value you can add to the client. So ultimately, I would say the money involved in analytics projects is definitely large. But to get that money, you need to increase your ability to take up the larger projects and look out for the clients which need that type of work done. And analysis of data is one field that has definitely got a very bright future. So guys, this is all from my side in this video. If there's anything specific that you want to request, you can let me know by commenting in the box below. I promise to read all your comments. If you found this video useful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. To stay updated, subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep coming back to you with more such videos. Till then, bye-bye, take care.